Hello, this is a special one for upcoming events because it's not just about an upcoming event, it also is asking all of you, the API community, for proposals to contribute to that event. So the event that's coming up soon is API Days Paris. It's happening December 6 to 8 in Paris, France. And as usual in the last couple of API Days events, we will have an OAI track. Because API Days Paris is the largest event of the API Days series, we will also have a larger OAI track than usual. We will very likely have 3 sessions with a total of 12 presentations, which is really great. That also means that we have a lot of time to hear about interesting topics. We already have a very good number of submissions, but I would like to encourage everybody to think about submitting something to the OAI track because, well, the more we have, the more interesting things we can discuss. We're specifically looking at 3 different types of submissions. The first one is really looking at specifications, specific specification work, where are things going, maybe new ideas for interesting specifications that could help the API space move forward. So that is really very much kind of the focus of real specification work. The second topic that we're interested in is to hear from tool makers and to hear from people who use OpenAPI and specifications in specific scenarios for specific things and can tell us how well does it work, what can I use it for, maybe where doesn't it work as well as I would hope it did, or where maybe I could use something else in addition. And again, that can be very interesting feedback for the community to understand maybe where to take specification work in the future. And the third thing that we want to do is also to have a couple of, let's say, case studies where people are using OpenAPI and other specifications to get stuff done in their API scenarios. And that oftentimes I would assume would be something like governance work or combining different tools, making sure you can build pipelines that help people to get stuff done, platform engineering, platform scenarios, all these kind of things where it's not so much about one specific application, but it's really about this idea of how can OpenAPI and specifications help us to get stuff done in this increasingly unbundled world where we have multiple things to work with. So we're looking for submissions in all of these 3 areas. If you have any ideas, please let us know. And also if you're concerned about, well, I'm not quite sure, maybe I haven't given presentations in front of large audiences, or I'm not quite sure how to prepare, just reach out. Either you can reach out to me. We also have this wonderful initiative that's called Women in APIs. They have a mentoring program. I'll link that from the description here. So just in case, if you're wondering, well, I would like to tell a story, but I'm not quite sure how to do it, I feel a little bit unsure, just reach out and we'll make sure that your story is actually getting heard, which I think is really important. Okay, that's it. Thanks for listening. And once again, API Days Paris happening in December 6 to 8. I hope to see a lot of you there. I certainly will be there. I'm happy to once again manage the OAI track. And if you want to submit something, please do so. Please do so in the next couple of days because we really want to make sure that we wrap things up and can publish the program. But yeah, this is my last attempt to get some interesting additional submissions. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you in Paris. Bye-bye.